Walang puknat ang pagtugis ng Criminal Investigation and Detection Group BAR sa mga wanted person at ang paghuli sa mga taong sangkot sa iligal na bentahan ng mga baril at bala at iba pang kriminalidad.
Bandera Live Report.
Yes, sir. For the month of January to February of this year, the CIDG, together with other PNP and AFP units, were able to arrest 8 regional most wanted person. Since natag sila ni PNP na 8 regional most wanted person, it only means to say na yung nature and gravity ng kriminal na commit nila ay very mataas talaga or mabigat. And also, the CIDG was able to arrest for that period one most wanted person for provincial level and 2 most wanted person for city and municipal level. Yes, sir. Yung figure na binanggit ko as to the arrest ng mga most wanted person will really speak na very important talaga yung support and cooperation ng community. Since nandyan yung support nila sa PNP, it is also our obligation na we will keep everything with utmost confidentiality. For that period, sir, the CIDG together with other PNP and AFP units were able to seize 16 firearms, and of this figure, 7 yung rifles, then Siam yung short firearms, and also we were able to seize 100 rounds of ammunition. Based sa investigation namin, yung intent nila is to gain profit, magkaroon ng large amount of money, considering na medyo mahal nga yung pagbibenta ng mahabang baril. Pero that is still part ng investigation namin, sir, kung bakit may mga ganitong mahabang baril na nasa possession nila, kasi it is very unusual mga ganitong firearms na sa kamay ng civilian. So far, sir, wala namang siguro isa sa mga factor na titignan natin na nakuha natin lahat ng information, and with that information, nagkaroon ng magandang planning process po. For the period covered, 3 yung operation na kinandak natin that resulted in the arrest of 3 individuals.
Bandera Reports Afternoon Edition.